We've got in an Hyundai i20. We're gonna do a fuel filter replacement. Unfortunately for us, the fuel filter it's inside the tank, so we're gonna have to do some proper work. So we'll start with lifting up the rear seat. Has a cord here. Just pull that a bit. We're gonna lift like that, and just slide it there. Same with the other one. Another cord here. Lift and just slide it. And here is going to be our fuel filter. Another stupid thing is this here is glued with some silicone, as you can see here. So it's going to take quite a force to take it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a plastic trim removal tool. I'm going to slide it in, and I'm going to try to cut this nicely and just going to pull it out. Since I'm alone, I can't just do that at the same time and film it, so I'll try to make short movies about that. So I'm gonna use something like that. It's just simple blade. I'm just gonna start to do it like that and all the way around. Quite hard to take it out. And here we go. Okay, so take this out now, make some room. Slide a bit, so we can reach to the connector. And we're gonna okay, so move this away, and this is our electric connector. I'm gonna push it in and press this tab here and just pull it out. Might be a bit stiff, but it will come out. That's it. Then you're gonna take it out through this hole. Take this out of the way. Okay. Oh, it should be fine. Okay, so we can make some more room. This is in our way. Okay, so I'm gonna take this connector out, and this one too. So it does. Okay. Now I'm going to take the pipes out. Take the pipes out. This one, it has a similar tab on the other side. Have to. Sorry about that. Have to squeeze, push it in a bit, squeeze them in, and just take it out. Very simple. There's no force needed whatsoever. And we got this one in. Same. We're gonna push it in. And squeeze. As I show you. And just slide out nicely. A bit under pressure, but we're gonna live with that. And it's out. You can push it underneath here and try to block it in something. Then you're gonna take this out, just squeeze. Okay, and that's it. Okay, now we've got some 8mm nuts. But you're gonna use an 8mm socket. Before I'm gonna take the last one out, I'm gonna take all this out because it's spring loaded. So I'm gonna try to push this like that. This one. It's gonna be a pain. Oh, come on. Oh, we're good now. So I'm gonna take. Okay. You can slide them slightly behind the tank so they can stay out of your way. This one is not that easy to move because it has clips here, so I'm going to try to take it out from the clip. That's it. I'm going to try to slide it behind the clip. So now, hang on, you've got nice room. So like I said, this is going to be spring loaded. So as you can see, it's just, and that's, and now I should use my both hands, but I don't have it. As you can see, you can't put this wrong because you got all these two pins. Just make sure, imagine the position, remember the position, that's backwards, that's forward, so you should be just fine. I'm gonna take this out now. Now you're gonna have to slide out nicely, and you're gonna wait to drain a bit. Then you're gonna have to, in an angle like that, because we got the fuel filter, sorry, the level. And that's the fuel pump, and the fuel filter is inside of it. So we'll go on the bench and we're gonna start from there. That's my filter, so it's in there. So What a beautiful filter. Now we're gonna have to take these pins out. Have to be very gentle with this one, they are quite fragile. So take your time. And it should come out nicely. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Also, 3 pins, be very gentle. 1, 2, and another one in here. And that's it. You need patience to go from one pin to another until it's gonna come out. Okay, so as you can see, it still has a case which goes in. No biggie. Now we're gonna have this one here clip. You're gonna have to pull them backwards and just lift the filter out, go down. They're quite hard, so the pump will stay with this one, so you need to push the pump down. So, again, take your time, don't rush it. Let's go like, so gonna go like.
Am luat o mașină extraordinară. Eu am o mică listă aici.
Da.
Mică.
Așa.
Da? Ce vezi aici? E mai?
Normal. And that's it. New filter. I'm gonna use a bit of grease because it will make life easier. Then I'm gonna set a new that. Make sure it fits in there. And that's clipped in. That's clipped in. So that's good. Next step, we're gonna go. Okay. Again, a bit of grease. I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna plug this one in. And that's it. This one. And you're gonna make sure it clicks in all the way around. This one's gonna be the high pressure, so you want this to be properly clipped in. Yeah, that's it. Make sure all the 1, 2, 3 clips are properly clipped in. Okay, again, it's very important. This is your high pressure side, so you're gonna have about 4 or 6 bars depending on the driving style. Okay, now we're gonna take this one. We're gonna give it a good clean before putting it back, just to be sure. I'll be back. As you can see, there's some things there, so you're gonna get it nicely clean. Nice and clean now. I'm gonna take this one. I'll slide it in nicely. That's clipped in, that's clipped in, that's clipped in. Next step is going to be return valve. Again, a bit of grease to make the life easier. And we're gonna put that in there. Just like that. I'm gonna clip that back in. Okay. This shoulder, as you can see, it's offset a bit, so make sure it goes big part on the right side. Just slide it in, and this butt is in, and now this one. It's quite hard to put it, so you're gonna have to apply some proper pressure. That's in, that's in. Now I'm gonna put the electrics back, which this one goes all the way in there. Make sure it fits in. We got this one, we got this one, And that's about it. And now we're going to go back in the fuel tank. We're back now in the fuel tank. Remember how we took it out. Slide in first that one, then I'm gonna try to that's it. So remember, it was like that, pointing forward, pointing rear and forward. Now I'm gonna take the circle. Let's put this back a bit. Okay. And that's it. Now we're gonna put the bolts in. I'm gonna have the camera down a bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the bolts in. Now I'm going to go easily in a cross pattern. Tighten all the nuts back. And that's it. Now I'm gonna look for the pipes. That's one. That's the high pressure pipe. So when you put it in, make sure that's the right way, so it will fit with the holes in here. And it should go all the way in, and make sure clips are out both sides. And we're gonna take this out, and the back end is slot like that, and we're good there. I'm gonna put this in, gonna screw it, like that. I'm gonna make sure it's all nice and tight. Okay, so we've got all this in nice and tight. Make sure they don't come out. Next step is going to be put this cap on. As you can see, it has all this silicone. It's very sticky, so I'm just gonna put it back. Okay, I'm gonna take the electrics first, and I'm gonna put them through the hole. It's a bit hard with one hand, so it doesn't matter. I'll do it for you. Okay, and I'm gonna plug this in there. Make sure it's fixed in. Okay. Now make sure it's clipped it, it doesn't come out. Then put this how it was. Okay, so just press it, it's gonna stick on very well. Not sure about that. It's not coming out. Put the rubber grommet. Nice. And don't forget to put back the connectors, which will go on here. That's your seat belt confirmation, and that's your other seat belts. Make sure that all clips in, they don't come out. And that's it. Simple as that.